Hi, and welcome to a product reveal for the Hocus Pocus Kittens 4x6 clear stamp set and its matching outline dies. These two products are sold separately, but they are perfect together for this Halloween season. Our Hocus Pocus Kittens stamp set has 16 total stamps. There are 6 sentiments: Happy Halloween, Hocus Pocus, Must Kill Pumpkin, What Dis, What's Cookin', and a tiny little squeak stamp to go with our little mouse. And our 10 images all have corresponding outline dies. Our widest image is that cute little scene there, and it is 3.5 inches wide. And our tallest image is the cat playing with the pumpkin, and it is just shy of 2.75 inches tall. I'm coloring in all of these adorable images so you can see what they look like colored in, and I'm going to use them on a Slimline card to share with you how cute the stamp set is for Halloween. Now once I'm done coloring, I will cut apart my outline dies. You can either twist them apart or use wire snips to cut them apart, and I will show you what they look like around each of those images. I'm going to run them through my die machine and build this Slimline card so you can see how fun these images are for a Halloween card. You can use the links down in the description to create this card yourself and to see what else is new during this latest Whimsy Stamps release. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoy shopping today, and don't forget to go to our Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook group for even more inspiration.